Hi, Rob with Reliable Renovations here. It's been about a week now, so I wanted to give you an update video. I haven't been on site, so I'm sorry that I don't have any action videos for you. I've been working on reliable renovation projects and getting those finished up so I could help John put up the roof trusses next week. We've had remarkably good weather this week, so John's been able to put up all the walls himself and the sheathing. So that's all done, and it's all braced. The walls are trued and ready to receive trusses. The garage door is an 8-foot high, 16-foot wide opening. And we were going to go with 7 feet, but we thought about it. We think that the 8-foot high door is actually, well, it's going to be easier to get things in and out of the garage, of course. But also, I think from the street, I think the proportions are going to look a lot better. We're using plywood for the sheathing. I don't even really like to use OSB. I'm always afraid that if it ever were to get wet, it's just going to fail. And plywood, I think, is much more forgiving. I want to control the vapor drive in this wall and to manage water vapor as it moves in and out of the house. Plywood will breathe a little bit better in a way that we can manage and control. And then we have Henry Blueskin, which will go on the outside, which has its own permeability so that hopefully all the walls stay dry throughout the year and we won't have condensation building up anywhere. And John's got, like I said, all the bracing in place. In the house framing itself, it's basically 2 foot on center, 2x4 studs. In the livable space that I'm standing in, we'll have another wall on the inside that will be another stud wall. So it's a double stud wall construction for the living space. I think you can begin to see what we were planning to do with the floor here by trying to get the floor to extend out past the inside of the ICF so that we have a nice smooth exposed floor all the way around the door openings. The door is going to sit here, so we have nice concrete floor all the way to the threshold. So now we'll have another stud wall inside here, and the drywall will come right down to the concrete, so everything is smooth and we won't end up with the same kind of problems that we had inside the house the last time we renovated, where the concrete floor didn't go all the way to the wall and we ended up with really wonky base trim. The garage walls are just going to be, again, insulated to code, but a single stud wall. It'll be kind of a workshop for me in the wintertime, doing things like painting, trim for projects that I work on for other people. Next process will be putting in a few windows here and wrapping the rest of the house with this blueskin.